Kimchi is great. Kimchi as space food. In 2008, Korea's first astronaut took kimchi into space. Kimchi keeps the intestines healthy, a necessity in space travel. Its abundant capsaicin also helps reduce the stress of being cramped with others in the spaceship. What source of Korean space foods are used? Bibimbap, bulgogi, sweet pumpkin porridge, chicken ribs, chicken soup, seaweed soup. It is impossible to cook on a spaceship, so foods must be pre-cooked or easily prepared by adding hot water. They should also be nutritious and keep for a long time. In space, everything floats, so space food packaging must be airtight.